The second product on our list is the Ziruma. The safety of your food depends largely on the type of kitchen utensils you use for preparation. That is why environmentally friendly kitchen utensils like Ziruma are highly recommended for every homeowner and chef that cares about the safety of the people that will eat their prepared meal. The Ziruma is built with prime teak wood with a track record of lasting for over 50 years. It is coated with beeswax and natural oil to keep its surface clean and resistant to moisture. And we like that it has comfortable handles that enable you to carry it from place to place with ease. Even the wrap it comes in is environmentally sustainable and looks attractive enough to be used as gift wrapping on its own. This makes Ziruma one of the most planet-friendly butcher block cutting boards on the market. As a way of helping you maintain a shiny surface, it has about 2 ounces of Ziruma wax to keep the surface shiny and attractive. It is also lined with grooves that collect the juice from your meat, vegetables, fruits, etc. Lastly, its end grain construction prevents your best knife from getting blunted. Its pros are: it has durable handles, it has a 1-year unlimited warranty, and it is FSC certified for being safe. However, it may have irregular edges. The Ziruma is an effective butcher block cutting board built from 100% natural materials to protect your food from toxic chemicals. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.